Today, we will continue working our best trading strategy combined with our best trading indicator. We will again focus on top-down analysis to find out great entry locations. Lastly, we will discuss how we can make better entries. If you are good to go, let's start now. Check out this Bitcoin chart. The first crash happened right at this multi-imbalance point. Then I was watching the second multi-imbalance point expecting another drop from this fair value gap area, possibly all the way down to the 90Ks. The structure looked almost identical, both showing similar swing failure patterns forming together. But this time the pattern didn't play out the same way. The big crash never came like before. Instead, we saw a strong pullback in the opposite direction. So, what actually happened here? When I started checking the lower time frames, I noticed this nice PDL level showing up below. It was lining up with a clean equal low that looked like a clear target area at the bottom. My trading plan was pretty simple. After the price reacted to that multi-imbalance point from the high time frames, I waited for a structure shift in the lower time frames and looked for a quick 2-hour setup. At first, the trade was actually going great. It almost reached a 1.5-hour profit. But then things started to slow down and eventually the trade failed. And now you might be asking yourself, why? What went wrong? But honestly, there isn't always a clear reason. Every trading strategy, no matter what, how good it is, it will sometimes work and sometimes fails. So there is no such a question you should ask, why? Why did it happen? It is just the reality of real trading. And then there was this Nasdaq chart that showed up a big multi-imbalance point right in the middle. It was supported by several swing failure patterns, along with the small support and resistance flip point. Overall, it looked like a perfect area to look for a short entry on the lower time frames. As you can see, this is the exact same chart with the Bitcoin. When you zoom into those lower time frames, you can clearly see the equal lows right below. Another clear target, an obvious target for us, just like the Bitcoin chart that we previously looked at it. At that multi-imbalance point, the market swept all the inner liquidity and then shifted the structure downward. After that, the market just kept dropping until it completely cleared those equal lows. Now you might ask again, why did that happen this time? And honestly, there isn't always a clear answer. Most traders keep asking, why did my trade fail? But they rarely ask, why did my trade win when things go right? The truth is, markets can move in a pretty random ways day-to-day basis. Any strategy, no matter how solid it is, might perform amazing one week and then completely fail the next week. But if you keep applying the same approach, concepts, and patterns consistently over time, you will build a statistical edge that can actually make you profitable. Okay friends, end of a great and educational video. Please stay safe and see you in the next video. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.